Good day, ICT students. This is Teacher Geraldine again, and welcome to another episode of our digital class. Our lesson for this week is all about procedures in using computer system configuration tools. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to configure computer system and networks. Last week, I already introduced to you different computer system configuration tools. These are Microsoft System Configuration, Registry Editor, DirectX Diagnostic Tool, and Control Panel. This week, we are going to discuss how to access these configuration system tools. So how do you use and access the Microsoft System Configuration tool? Very easy. On the search bar here, you just need to type msconfig, msconfig, and it will appear here where you just need to click enter or click it here. Let's do it and wait for it to load. Here you go, you have our system configuration tool. So again, it has 5 tabs: the general, boot, services, startup, and tools. How about the Windows registry? How do we use and access it? So again, same here on the search bar. You just need to type regedit. So that is regedit, regedit. And then click here, or just need to click on enter on your keyboard. This one will pop up. You just click yes. And here you go. You have your registry editor. So again, this is our registry editor. So as you can see, there are 5 folders here. These 5 folders are called the branches. So if you want to expand or check the contents of the branches, you just need to double click the branch. Here you go. If you want to see the contents of that specific folder, you just need to click it here. And then at the right side, you can see the contents of that folder. In our registry editor, you can also add a new key. So how to add a new key? Just click on edit, new, and then key. You have here the new key. To rename the new key, you can click F2 on your keyboard, or again, simply double click. Okay, for example, double right click and then click rename. Then you can type whatever you want, sample for example. Then click enter. And aside from renaming a key that you added, you can also delete this key by simply clicking on the delete button on your keyboard. And then, are you sure to permanently delete this key? Since we just created this one, you can click yes. But always remember, when dealing with the registry editor, you must be very careful, because once you deleted or modified other branches or folders here, this may cause damage on your operating system. Then, we no longer have the sample key. Now let's proceed with the DirectX Diagnostic tool, how to use and access it. So same, here in our search bar, you just need to type DXDiag. Again, DXDiag. So you can click this or just click enter. And wait for it to load. Here you go. Okay, in our DirectX diagnostic tool, we have 4 tabs. The system. This tool reports detailed information about the DirectX components and drivers installed on your system. You also have the display, where you can see the different devices installed, drivers, and notes if there are problems found when you use a diagnostic tool. You also have the sound for your devices, the speaker, and the headphones. Drivers if there are problems. Input devices like the mouse, keyboard, and others. And if there are problems found. Our 4th diagnostic tool or configuration system tool is the control panel, and it can be found simply on your desktop. Here, as you can see, we have the control panel. You just need to double click this icon, and here it goes. We have our control panel. So there are different features for our control panel, or we call this control panel outlets. That would be all for this week class. So it's time for you to answer your activities 1 and 2 and reflection on your learning activity sheets week 8 procedures in using computer system configuration tools. Once you're done, same process goes. You may send it on my messenger or email. That would be all for this week. Goodbye class, and God bless you.